In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to send pictures on Xbox Game Bar. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you are using the Game Bar on PC, you will be able to capture moments, take screenshots, videos, and share it by accessing the file location. So first, if you press Windows plus G to open the Game Bar, in the widget menu, one of the options is going to be Capture. So this is where you will be able to take and share pictures and videos. So make sure that the Capture widget is open, and now in here you can either take a screenshot or start recording. So all that you have to do is choose either of these options. If you take a picture here, you will usually get a pop-up at the right side of the screen telling you that it was captured and you will be able to share it with other people. So once you've taken your picture, and you either get a notification at the right side of the screen, or if nothing happens, just go over to See My Pictures. Now you will be able to find all of the pictures that you've taken here. Now, back in the day, there used to be a button to share this in Twitter and other social media, including chats with other people, but for whatever reason, Microsoft removed that option, so I just want to make that very clear. You can still share this picture around with your friends, but you will have to do it manually. So what you have to do is select it here, go to the option Open File Location, and this will open File Explorer in the folder where you can find the picture that you took. As I've said before, this isn't as convenient, however, you can still access the picture and then use this to share it with other people. So if you are talking to your friends on Discord, you will be able to share it with them. If you are talking to someone on Twitter, or maybe you want to post this there, then you can do it. But it's fortunate that they removed the main feature that was sending this directly through chats on Xbox Game Bar. So while you can still share pictures and videos, you will have to do it manually, so keep that in mind. Unless Microsoft adds the feature back, we won't be able to do this anymore. I hope I was able to help you on how to send pictures on Xbox Game Bar. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.